No thanks.
It's about to blow. 5. Wait. Jim. He's a mechanic.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3,
2, 1.
1, go!
Oh, Kev.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3. This is a really untimed thing.
It's
gonna fly up.
Don't catch it!
That was the
Okay, that's it.
Where?
Don't catch it!
Don't catch it!
Well, don't catch it. Well, break it.
It broke last time.
Don't catch it, boys! It'll take your head off.
Oh, yes. And it's going to come down into safety.
It's going to go to the same spot again.
It's gonna go further.
Don't catch it! Oh shit, that's hooked. That's going.
That's moving.
That's still going. That's not coming. Where's the other part? The red part. The red
All the way over there again. You got it.
It's got it.
I got your nail.
It's going even further. Oh my god.
Onto the
Oh my god. Here's that was my grandma. Ooh. It's gone. Josh, I don't think it's going to be in the backyard. As you can see, the rocket made a successful landing.
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, you wish.
How long did it take you to get